Another MuggyWeld.com testimonial.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm going to do a review on a product called MuggyWeld. I'm working on a 1968 Cadillac convertible, and I have some broken parts that I'm going to try with this product. I'm not endorsing it. I am going to review it. Like you said, I'll just show you a few details that I'm doing. The door panels were in pretty bad shape, so I had to manufacture some new ones. They're about ready for the upholsterer. The hubcaps, I've worked on those. I was going to purchase new ones, but I'm happy with the product, that the way it's coming out. As you see, that was the before, and this is the after. I think I've done a good job, and then I put some black stripe in there to give it a little bit of a bling. But the project I'm working on today is off the front bumper, and that is the passenger side. The driver's side is broken into 3 parts, and so I'm going to come back and show you the 3 parts, and we're going to work on it with this MuggyWeld and see how this product reacts. Okay, I'm back, and this is my dilemma. As you see, it's in 3 pieces, and what we're going to do is we're going to prep this and see how this MuggyWeld works. So we have some grinders, some cleaning gear. We're going to make sure that the ends are completely contaminant free and make sure that it is ready for the weld. What we're going to do is, I have a little piece of steel here. I'm going to set up clamp all the pieces down on this so they don't move, and then we're going to go ahead with the MuggyWeld. This is the product, and this is how it comes. It comes in a tubing with the flux already in there. We have cleaned all the surfaces, and as you see, they are nice and shiny and no contaminants in there whatsoever. We've set up the first 2 pieces in our jig, and now we're going to start to weld. We're using, this is a burner, and we're ready to go. So we're going to apply the flux to it. And because this is on a steel bar, I'm going to heat the steel bar that's underneath, holding the pieces together. I'm going to warm that up first. Make sure the heat's this is warm, so the heat from the pieces will not transfer to this. So here we go.
I'm going to preheat the steel with this one.
Okay, we're going to preheat the steel with a stronger torch. And that's just warming up the steel that I have the pieces on. It's 400.
Put it right in the crack.
And then right in the crack. It's 400, and yeah, it's warm enough now. Okay, here we go. Starting to melt in there, very nice. And we have a big gap to fill, so it's moving very nice, flowing very, very well. Again, I think cleaning of this product, the prep is very important, because this seems to be doing the job quite well. And that's the back of it. So, well, that was pretty painless. And again, we're just filling in some more pieces. And okay, let's take a closer look at that. Well, we filled the gap, and let's clean it up and see how it turns out. So we're going to let this cool down naturally. Do not put it in water. The instruction says let it cool down natural, and then we will take another look at it. But right now, I think it's a success. The project is finished, and I started this to review this product called Muggy Weld. When I started this, my piece was in 3 pieces, if you remember. It is now in 1 piece, solid. I'm very happy with the results. It's very sturdy. I didn't know what to do when I started. I didn't know I could weld pot metal together. So I've achieved what I wanted to achieve. My piece is in 1 piece now. I still have some grinding to do and some finishing to do, but this thing is solid. And my review is this: try this Muggy Weld. And again, I'm not getting paid for this. I had to purchase this myself online. It came priority mail. I have no affiliation to this company at all. But again, like I said, I was going to review it. I've reviewed it, and I am happy with the product. It done everything it's supposed to do. I am not a welder. I'm a novice. But again, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to do this. I achieved what I wanted to achieve, and if you have pot metal and you don't know what to do, I suggest you try this product. Actually, I would endorse it. I would recommend it. And I just say to you, good luck with your automobile projects. Thanks for watching the video.
Thank you, James, for your video testimonial. Can't wait to see your Cadillac when it's finished. And hey, everyone, make sure you hit our subscribe button here and tell all your friends and coworkers to Muggy Weld it.